What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you where to find players team arena entrance in the city NBA 2K26. So first of all, we need to look at our current position, and to check that, press view button on Xbox or touchpad on PlayStation, and then it will open your map. So this cursor shows where you are currently standing, and the arena is on the left side. So you can see this is arena. I need to select it first, then press A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation to set a waypoint there. Now I can go back from this map, and you can see a location has been marked on my screen. You can see that in front of me. If you are standing somewhere else, then the location will be shown accordingly. I just need to go to this point and then I will reach the arena. If you wanna get there faster, then press LB on Xbox or L1 on PlayStation to bring up this skateboard, and then use this skateboard to reach there faster. And once you reach to this point, then you will see this player arena entrance. So we just need to get inside this, and then you can see I have successfully entered the arena, and from here you can start doing your workout. If you wanna go inside the locker room, then you can go to this side and enter the locker room. In case you wanna exit arena, then go back to the point from where you entered, and then you can see this is the exit. If I go in it, then I will return to the city. So this is the complete process. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.